in a situation where our past normals change, we're getting used to a new normal, and in the future at some point there'll be another new normal we'll have to get used to, and we don't know when that's going to be and what it's going to look like. So this is a tough situation, but what's great is we can do some things to make our lives feel a bit easier right now. I've got some 3 top tips for you. My first top tip is to focus on what's the same for you right now. There's lots of language going on that how everything's different, everything's changed, but actually there's going to be a lot that's the same. So whether it's the people you live with, where you're living, what you do, what your routine is, what's your old structure you can bring into what is the same now. So focus on those things and they'll give you a real sense of comfort and familiarity and things that you can really rely on, and that will really help you. The second tip is that actually it's okay to not feel okay at times. That's fine. This is a tough situation, and to feel low and maybe things aren't going your way is absolutely fine. We're humans and it's okay to feel like that. Give yourself permission to feel like that and talk to your friends, talk to your family about that, and I can bet that they're going through the same thing, and sometimes it's quite nice to talk about that and you'll feel a lot better, and that's okay. And the third tip is to be grateful. Practice gratitude on a daily basis. It's one of the fundamentals of joy. So maybe every evening you say 3 things that you're grateful for, and do that with your friends, your family, and wake up every morning feeling great about yourself.